Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. I know I said it to you yesterday, and I know this video won't air till the next day, but today we are celebrating Thanksgiving. Why are you sighing?
I don't want to do what we're about to do.
So, I convinced them. Actually, it didn't take much convincing, which I was
because I know you won't
fully
shut
prepared.
up.
You're right. Yeah, I would just keep bothering her. So, we are going to do a Thanksgiving shot to start off our good old Thanksgiving. So we're going to do some Jack Daniel's honey shots, and I wanted to get this on film because I know it's going to be hysterical. Just so you guys know, if you don't already know, each line on these red cups is considered one shot. So, here we go. That's one shot for Sam. That's actually under the shot line, so you're lucky I could have filled it a little bit more. What's with your beaker face? All right.
I really don't want to do it. Because that's disgusting. It tastes so nasty.
I don't know who doesn't like Jack Daniels.
Me! People that don't... I like sweet. This is far from sweet.
Sweet Caroline. All right. So cheers to Thanksgiving. I'm grateful for you. Cooking and cleaning.
I'm not grateful for this shot.
All right, ready?
Oh, I really don't want to do it.
1, 2.
I really don't want to do it.
2.5. 2 3/4.
Hold on.
Oh, you're so dramatic. She has to have the chaser. Ready? And 3, go.
Oh! Oh, that's so gross. God, it's so gross. I got all over it. It is so gross. Oh, man. So
dramatic. All right, now the party's gonna start. Is it better with the Coke? I probably should have made. Maybe I should have made you a Jack and Coke mixer. All right, guys. So it's about an hour or so till we start cooking that turkey. We're gonna throw it in the air fryer. I got my laundry. We had an early morning. Ran to Dollar General. Got a couple things. It was pretty busy in there because they're one of the few stores that are actually open today. And then after that, I did 4 loads of laundry, like all this morning. We really needed to get it done. Like we did bedding and everything, work clothes, towels that I use for work. So kept us busy. And now we're finally gonna clean this whole place up and get that turkey in there soon and enjoy our good old Thanksgiving.
All right, so I fell asleep after the shot. I was just so relaxed, and then we did so much with the laundry running back and forth that I overslept. I was only supposed to sleep for like, what, 30 minutes? I slept for an hour and a half.
At least, yeah.
All right, so we got the same thing that we got last time, but for some reason, this one had bones in it, and there wasn't supposed to be any bones.
It had the whole rib cage.
Yeah, so, and there's no meat on the rib cage, so, and it won't fit in this, so I had to do a whole, it was gross. I had to cut the rib cage, I had to break bones, I had to cut stuff, so we were able to
so it's a little different.
Too big.
Not your traditional turkey.
So I'm going to season it again with the turkey seasoning, because it all just...
Yeah, while we were wrestling with it and throwing it and beating it and pushing down on it, trying to snap this thing in half, I think we rubbed probably half the seasoning off.
Yeah, so I'm just going to
So we're just going to load the hell out of it with seasoning.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
So it wants you to put it on 179 degrees and cook it for 2.5 hours. My Instapot won't go down that far. So the lowest I can go is 180, but there's hardly any heat coming out at 180. Would be here all day and night trying to do this. So I'm just gonna put it at about 200, see how that goes, and it only goes for an hour. So after an hour, I have to reset it again for another hour. So yeah, that's fun. And even so, it's supposed to be 2.5, so I can only do an hour and a half. I can only go, wait. I can only do an hour, so I can't do an hour and a half. So I have to do 1 hour, come in, check it, and see if I need to do another hour, restart it all over again. So yeah, that's fun. Okay, just letting you know. So
we also sometimes rotate this stuff. Like in a traditional oven, you have it suspended, but the heat is on the top and the bottom. But in this, on an air fryer, the heat just comes from the top. So you may have to flip this around.
But we cut it, so I don't know if we would have to. With that big, huge one, I should have flipped it around. But since I cut these into legit breast, I think we might be okay. I'll see what happens in an hour. If the bottom really isn't getting any isn't cooking, I'll just flip it over, season it, and then just let that cook for an hour to make sure everything really gets cooked well, because I don't need to get sick, because you guys know I have a very sensitive stomach. Alright, so I'm going to add some of turkey broth into it. Put it on the bottom. I don't know where I put it at. Alright.
FYI, we have no idea what we're doing.
Why? I saw somebody put turkey broth in there.
This is like, I don't know. Usually our parents handle this, you know? Like, usually the younger kids
Am I roasting it or baking it? Crap.
See what I mean? This is exactly what I mean.
No, I thought the directions.
You're baking it, I think.
Alright.
I don't know. We're going to find out. Alright guys, well the turkey is roasting away inside, so we're hanging outside.
It smells so good inside.
It smells delicious. Okay.
We have the door open because I need to do some cleaning.
Yeah.
I'm taking advantage of the two of them not in there.
If Samantha will move out of the way.
Okay, I'm not that big.
Look at these clouds, guys.
On today's forecast, we have cloudy skies, and it's not supposed to rain today. But never pay attention to us, the news people, because we never know what the hell we're talking about. So, yeah.
For real. Unfortunately, I did.
Tuning into
Sammy's,
Nomad weather.
Okay. So unfortunately, I did check the weather like 10 minutes ago, and it is supposed to rain. I think it says like later on in the evening or later on in the afternoon. So I'm sitting out here. We're enjoying a fire, trying to burn through some more of this wood.
Yeah, because we have a lot.
I have a ton still. I think I should be like the Thanksgiving Christmas guy or something and go around and deliver free wood to everybody because I have a lot. Yeah. So I have all that under the bus. I have this. And then I have this that I chopped up, made smaller.
If we see anybody out, I'm just
going to throw it through their windshield.
Gonna give them some.
Here you go.
This is a lot.
Here's some pieces of wood.
I'd rather give it to somebody than the campground charging $9 for it.
Yeah, $9. $9. So we're utilizing our fire to burn any crap that we don't want in the bus. So I'm going to pretty much throw everything in the bus in this fire. Nice and cool out here. You know, that's the one good thing about the cloud coverage in Florida is it gives a big relief to heat. So we're just
miserable being out here.
Yeah. So
because there's no shade either over here.
Right. So we're just going to hang out till I got to hop inside. And I have to still peel the potatoes, cut them up, do all that prep work. Because we are doing homemade mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving. I'm not none of this instant stuff. You know, some people say, oh, you can't cook in an RV, or you can't use the oven in an RV, it's too small. Well, we've proven that wrong many times. And today, Samantha has proven that you can cook in a shuttle bus.
Yep, if I can cook in a shuttle bus, you can cook in an RV.
Yeah. So, everything was ridiculously delicious. I had a plate like up to here, and this is what I have left. I'm slowly getting to it. We don't have much of anything left. We have
too many mashed potatoes.
Right. but everything was really, really good. And how often can you say that you ate Thanksgiving dinner in the rain? Because now it's raining.
Not bad.
No, it's drizzling, but I don't know if you guys will see it in the video, but it is raining. Alright, Cody over here. He's being a little rude to our neighbors. Nobody wants to hear you, Cody. You gotta be quiet. My fire is doing excellent. Roaring away. This is all the wood I have, guys. I split this wood into like 1/16 of what it originally was. So I probably came here with about 30, 40 pieces.
Yeah.
And I probably have maybe 10 pieces left.
I mean, we started this fire like early.
Yeah, really early. Because I wanted to make sure I killed this wood. And I knew it was gonna rain. I'm super full. I'm good on turkey. Good on everything. Thank you, Samantha.
Did you show them how?
You did an excellent job. That's how the turkey came out. Look at that. It is so moist and meaty and juicy. Delicious. Alright. I'm gonna go to a food coma now. Alright, Cody's been waiting for his turkey.
Hold on.
He's very excited to have his Thanksgiving. Hop up.
Oh.
What's that?
Yeah, like we're watching you.
Really? You're really not gonna eat it because
We're watching them.
Really? Really? Please eat it. Don't make me look like an idiot. Please. Please.
Alright.
Please.
Alright, I guess we'll let him
Well, he'll scarf it down once I turn his camera off.
Yep.
Just to let you guys know, I do give him turkey. Yeah. Because he's a good boy and he needs to celebrate Thanksgiving with us. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Okay, go eat your food.
You enjoy it and make sure you have a lot of water.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Ow!
She's naughty. Just got done. We got all dishes done and just showered and
Splish splash. We took a bath.
yeah. And I'm just stuffed and really tired. Like I am ready for bed. I have a job in the morning at 8 a.m. So I got.
7:30.
I'm an old person. I don't care. I'm exhausted.
Food was really good. It was pretty easy to make everything in here. It wasn't easy. It wasn't fun cleaning up. Of course, that's the pain in the butt part. But I had a lot of fun. The no-see-ums came out really bad, like in full force. Like once we finished eating, we sat by the fire for like what, like 10 minutes? Not even, and then like, we just got attacked. And then I was like, no. Okay, anyway, there's a tiny house festival coming up in February. It's in Tampa, and we are going to be in it! I'm really excited, but I want, people to see our bus, and I want to meet some like-minded people, make some new friends and stuff. Yeah, so we're really excited. So if you're in Florida or if you're close to Florida, we'll put all the stuff below. But yeah, come check us out. You can come meet us. Happy Thanksgiving from me, Sean, and Cody. I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the vlog tomorrow.